What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install KiCAD on your desktop computer or laptop. Now before doing this you have to make sure you have a good internet connection like I do here. Now first of all, go to Chrome, create a new tab, search KiCAD download. If you're using Windows, you click the first option. For Mac and Linux, you can click the second and third below. Now in this video I am going to download KiCAD for Windows. So I'll click the Windows option. Now there are several versions of KiCAD you can download with different sizes. Now as we can see here, the current version is 9.0.2 and your computer must be at least a 64 bits Windows. So now you click GitHub and it should start downloading automatically. Now we have successfully downloaded KiCAD 9.0.2. Now let us go and install it. KiCAD is installing. Click next. Next. Of course, we want to run KiCAD on this computer. Run. Next. Click install. KiCAD is installing. KiCAD is done installing. Click Finish. Now we have successfully installed KiCAD 9.0.2 on our computer. Click OK. Opt in, and that's it. KiCAD is up and running. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.